Hemmed. Say hi, let people get to know you. Say yes, I wear a diaper. But that doesn't stop me from purring and being super loving, and I'm a tiny little girl. I just get to wear cool clothes. And I don't have to use a litter box. Litter boxes smell anyways, huh? Yeah. What a good girl. I love everybody. And I'm super special. Damn, super special, huh? And I'm just a baby. Just 3-month-old baby, huh? Huh, baby girl? Damn, baby girl. Hi, little one. Show me your cool outfit. That's some sweet gear, lady. See, that's some sweet gear, little lady. Tiny little girl. Tiny little girl. See, we're just a little under 2.5 pounds. Oh, pretty girl. And we're already microchipped, and we're up to date on all of our vaccinations. And we'll be fixed very soon. And we need to be adopted. And find a forever home that understands what Manx kitties are like. They're super awesome. And they're cute. Yeah. And sometimes they get spina bifida because their spine didn't form, their spinal cord didn't form all the way. And that's okay. See, there's lots like me, huh? Yeah, and I deserve a chance. Special girl. See, I love toys and I like being loved on. Damn, girl. See, I like toys and being loved on. That's it. Food's okay too when I'm not playing and being loved on. Pretty girl. Oh, it is a pretty girl. See, call A-Hope and tell them that you want to adopt me. Their email is ahopeadoptions@gmail.com, or you can call and leave a message asking about Hemmed, 850-665-0511. Ah, pretty girl. And I want to live with anybody. I love everybody. Especially other kittens. Other kittens. Hey, pretty girl.